In a magical grove where the starflowers bloom, two friends found joy, dispelling all gloom. Max, with his freckles and eyes like the dawn, wore his Disney theme cloths, his smile wide and drawn.
Ready to transform your creative ideas into stunning animations within minutes? Welcome to the Magic Light AI. No need for animators, endless editing, or any prior animation skills. Today, I'm showing you how to effortlessly craft everything from prompts to animation, even full AI-generated movies, quickly and easily. Watch closely the animation you just saw. I created it with just a few clicks. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to generate videos, design characters, add voiceovers, and publish your animations with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be making professional quality animations like a pro. Excited? Let's dive right in and bring those ideas to life. First things first, let's access Magic Light AI. You can visit their website by searching for Magic Light AI on Google or click the link in the description below. To get started, click on Start for free and sign up or log in using your Google account, Discord, or email. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Magic Light AI homepage. Let's start with a quick tour of the dashboard. On the home screen, you can explore sample AI-generated animations. Click on any of them to preview and experience various styles, effects, and storytelling techniques. You'll also find two primary features: Create AI video for full animation projects and Create AI characters for designing consistent animated characters. Alright, it's time for the fun part, creating our own AI video. Click on Generate AI Video, and the first thing you'll need to do is set up a few basic options. First, choose the aspect ratio. For YouTube, go with 16:9. For TikTok or Instagram, use 9:16. Next, select your video language. Magic Light supports multiple languages, so pick the one that suits your audience. Then choose your video mode. This defines the animation style. You can go for a comic effect, realistic, or cinematic approach. For this tutorial, let's go with Disney. Magic Light now integrates DeepSeek R1, enhancing its abilities in story writing, scene breakdown, and image prompt generation. The platform crafts engaging narratives, seamlessly organizes scenes, and produces high-quality prompts for stunning visuals. This is the prompt section. Here you have two options: generate from the prompt or use my content. To generate from a prompt, simply type your idea. You can also check out the sample idea below if you need inspiration. If you don't like any of them, you can refresh the selection by clicking the refresh button. Once you find one you like, just select it and get started. And if you want to use your own content, simply paste them here. Magic Light allows free accounts to generate up to 3,000 character prompts, which is incredible compared to most AI generators that only handle short clips. If you're working on a YouTube series or a longer animation, this is a fantastic option. Then click Next to proceed. Magic Light will break your text into numbered scenes, each representing a moment in your animation. You can edit any scene if needed, rearrange scenes by clicking the arrow, or remove any that don't fit by clicking the delete button. When everything looks good, click next. Now, creating and customizing characters. Here you have two options: create your characters or let AI create them for you. If you select AutoCast, Magic Light automatically detects key characters from your story and generates them for you. However, we can tweak them for further customization. Click on a character to modify their name and voiceover. You can also change the voice by clicking Audition and selecting the gender and age. Alternatively, you can choose from any of these pre-generated characters here, or if none of them suit your needs, you can create your own. Here, you can name your character, select their gender, specify whether they are human or a mythical creature, and choose their age. In the prompt section, enter a detailed description of your character. You can also upload reference images if you want the AI to match a specific look. Once you're satisfied, click Generate. Then choose to either edit your character or, if it meets your expectations, click Apply. Next, create the other characters in your story. Once everything is set, click Next. Now we're on step 3, Storyboard. On the top left, you can add voiceovers and background music. Start by adjusting the speed and selecting a voice actor. Next, choose the right background music from a wide selection based on mood and theme. Adjust the volume to ensure it complements the narration without overpowering it. Now, Magic Light has generated an image for every scene. Preview the images, and if anything looks off, you can regenerate them. You also have the option to edit the image prompt before regenerating to ensure character consistency across all scenes. Here, make sure to include your characters properly. Once everything is set, click Regenerate to apply the changes. Look at that. The new image has been generated, and as you can see, our characters have been replaced accordingly. Now let's do the same for the next scene. This scene features only Mark. Let's see what happens. Wow. As expected, Magic Light ensures strong consistency across both scenes and characters. Now, let me do the remaining scene. Next, let's bring these images to life. Choose a scene and click Animate. For the best results, use Animate Pro, Runway, or Halo AI to create high-quality animations. This tool adds professional motion effects to your scene and offers 2 animation modes. Intelligent generation based on the screen. Images are dynamically generated based on the content displayed. Generated from customized prompts, images are created using tailored prompts that define specific details and styles. Choose what you prepare, then click OK. Then wait for the AI to finish generating the video. Once it's done, preview the video. Wow, amazing. Now, if you don't like the result, reanimate them. Once everything is done and you're happy with the results, click Generate Video. Confirm the aspect ratio, enable or disable subtitles, and hit OK. Magic Light will now render your full animation. Just wait a few moments and let the magic happen. Once the rendering is complete, we move to step 4, previewing the video. You can either publish it directly or download the images and the full video. Now, let's talk about how the credit system works. Magic Light offers both a free trial and paid plans, and their pricing is surprisingly affordable compared to other AI animation tools. New users receive 300 free credits upfront, allowing them to experiment before committing to a paid plan. For free users, each generated image costs 2 credits, while paid users enjoy unlimited image regeneration. You can freely adjust the number of images in each project. During the image editing phase, certain features, such as converting static images into dynamic videos, may require additional credits. With 300 free credits, you can generate approximately 5 minutes of video content. And here's the best part. Videos created with Magic Light AI are fully available for commercial use. You can publish them on YouTube, monetize them, and never worry about copyright issues. And that's it. You just learned how to create a full AI-generated animation using Magic Light. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more AI-powered content. If you want to try Magic Light AI yourself, check out the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to create with this tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
In a magical grove where the starflowers bloom, 2 friends found joy, dispelling all gloom. Max, with his freckles and eyes like the dawn, wore his Disney theme cloths, his smile wide and drawn. Beside him was Lily, with hair gold as the sun. Her dress made skipping more fun. Together they danced under moon's gentle light, in a forest that glittered with stars so bright. They laughed and they played, with no end in sight, in a kingdom where magic made everything right. With each merry twirl and each playful leap, with each merry twirl and each playful leap, they discovered a world where dreams never sleep. So remember, dear children, when you close your eyes, imagine new worlds. Let your spirits rise. For in dreams, you can visit this magical place where joy dances forever in the starflower's embrace.